Welcome to Tips and Tricks by Bing. Here's how to search. First, type in our website. Oh, nope, not that one. Bing.com. The platform offers numerous ways to search. The header provides shortcuts for images, videos, maps, and news. Conduct a search via the query bar. Let's see what we can find for the term dog. Wow, over 47 million results. We can narrow our results by time frame, or by images and by their size, color, type, layout, and more. Now let's look for video results of dogs. There are numerous ways to filter results and content, by length, date, resolution, source, and more. Bing also has video previews. Just hover over it. Maps offers locations near you or anywhere in the world pertaining to your results. Let's see if there's any pups in the news. In the era of fake news, sources matter. Be sure to filter and find a credible source. Bing offers different categories, just like a newspaper. Click Shopping to find products based on your results. Filter these by brand, price, material, and seller. And if you ever feel lost, just click the logo next to the search bar to return home. And also feel free to perform a visual search by dropping a picture right here. Homepage navigation. Bing is more than a search engine. It offers trending images, videos, and news stories right below its search bar. Every day there is a new featured image. Each has its own unique story and significance. Previously featured stories and images are featured below. You can also learn about On This Day in History, where Bing provides important historical events and more about them. Here's how to earn points and prizes through Bing. After logging into your Bing account, check the bottom of the homepage to see what your current status is. Progress bars show how close you are to your next reward. Opportunities to earn more points live right next door. The more points you earn, the bigger the prizes can be. Next, let's check your account status. To the right of your name, view your available points, streak count, and points breakdown. Earn a sizable amount of points per month to increase your rewards level. Use the Microsoft Edge browser to earn even more points. You can also collect points by completing daily offers like shopping and playing games. If you want to increase your reward status, it's crucial not to pass these points up. Claim your points here. Every day you're offered different point earning opportunities through quizzes and polls. If you complete these goals daily, get ready for streak bonuses. There are plenty of other activities besides searching on Bing to earn points. These other activities can sometimes extend beyond Bing to Microsoft's other products like Explorer and Xbox. You can also activate particular goals and rewards that cater specifically to you, like an Xbox gift card if you're a gamer. There's something for everyone through Bing's rewards. Here's how to change your default search engine on your browser. Just go to your browser settings and change the search engine from the options below. Once doing so, feel free to return to that page and hit the home button. There. Much better. Just like that, Bing is now your default search engine.